Cooking with Landon.
Hello, everyone. We're doing Cooking with Landon.
We're gonna be cooking with Landon.
Yeah.
So, today we're gonna be making chicken and rice.
Chicken rice.
So, you might want to make a rice burger. That will be in a future video.
No, that was in a previous video.
How to make it will be in a future. So, what you're gonna need is some chicken. I'm using this Tyson chicken, boneless.
Tough.
And some rice.
Tough.
So, what we're gonna do. What is in my rice? Okay, you didn't hear that. So, what we're gonna do.
Is there...
We're gonna get the rice, put the rice on the plate. We're making a big serving because I'm a biggie. I'm gonna get a nice spoon.
Let's see how good this spoon is to get the rice.
Look at this. Ooh.
Compared to the rice, how big of a spoon do you need?
You need a regular size spoon.
This is only required if your rice is not already spread out.
Yes, so you gotta spread out the rice. Sometimes you want some clumps, because those can taste pretty good.
Yeah. It's like a big butter rice.
And then you're gonna wanna put the rice that fell on the table on your rice, because you want as much as you can. So right now we have a full plate of rice.
Yeah.
So you're gonna wanna get some paper. Put it over the rice, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave.
For how long?
For a minute.
For how long, Landon?
For 1 minute.
Really?
Make sure to put your spoon in the microwave. Just kidding, don't do that.
Don't do that, guys. Warning disclaimer.
Don't.
I'm gonna put the big red flashing text that says don't do that.
Don't do that. We're gonna put the rice in the microwave. We got the rice in the microwave.
Yo.
Now we're gonna close the microwave. And I'm gonna press 1 minute. Now we're gonna get our chicken. I'm using Tyson high protein bites, boneless. We're gonna open the chicken.
Make sure you get the boneless one, by the way. You don't want bones in your eyes.
Alright, so I'm gonna.
If you can't get Thai, then you can just get some other chicken chunks from other places. If not just Thai, then you can use other stuff, but like we recommend Tyson.
Yeah, Tyson is like really good.
Yeah.
Do Tyson. No, now that we got our chicken, our rice is smells so good. We're gonna put a damp paper towel over the chicken.
Not completely
and put it in the
soaking,
microwave.
you want it to be damp.
Yes, you want it to be damp. Let's test. I'm gonna taste test our rice. Nope. You can throw away the napkins. I'm gonna close the microwave. Let's taste test the rice. Tastes like rice.
Alright, tough. I was hoping it wouldn't taste like chicken yet, because there's no chicken in the rice yet.
No, let's put this chicken in. I'm gonna put it in for 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Perfect.
And now while that's happening, we dance.
If your chicken...
And while we're dancing, I'm going to put our stuff up, our food is almost ready.
Put it in the microwave.
Yeah.
And I'm making like a time lapse.
Dancing is like very important.
Yeah.
While you're doing this, I'm gonna eat some more rice. I'm gonna lick my spoon off.
Doesn't it taste good?
Uh-huh.
You should trust this guy. He's the right expert.
I'm the rice expert.
Yeah.
My name is I Like Rice.
Yeah. First name I, middle name like, last name Ryan.
What? Beep.
Now does that taste like chicken?
Smells good, but it's very hot.
Does it smell like chicken or does it smell like something else?
Chicken.
If your chicken does not smell like chicken, do not use that chicken because it's not chicken.
It is chicken. It's very hot.
Quick disclaimer, if you cook your chicken in the microwave and you take it out and it smells like something other than chicken, do not use that chicken because it's not chicken.
I'm gonna blow on it. Tastes really good.
Does it taste like chicken?
Yes.
Good.
Now, I'm going to carefully, very carefully, get my chicken and put it on my rice.
It looks like meatballs.
Yeah.
This is
Very
episode 1
careful.
of Cooking with Landon, by the way, guys. This is gonna be serious.
Yeah, this is gonna be a series.
If we can make it one, we're gonna try our best to make it a series.
If we get 100 likes on the video, I'm gonna make a rice burger.
We're a new channel. Let's bump that down to like 10 likes. We're not.
No, I don't have a burger yet.
Okay, well we don't have. Okay, we can do. Let's not do 100. Let's do like 20 likes because we're not getting 100.
Yeah.
There's no way we're getting 100 likes. Like our
Okay,
channel's
now.
like my channel's like a month old, less than a month old actually.
I tried to lick the plate, but it's. I don't know if that's good.
What did it taste like a plate?
Yes. And like that is done. Look at this. Very, very scrumptious.
You need to do a taste test. You gotta do a taste test.
Okay. Let's move Let's have a taste test. I'm gonna get some chicken, good amount of rice. Taste test.
Chicken rice.
Very good.
In the next video, he's gonna tell you how to make a light bulb.
Yeah.
We're joking.
That concludes episode 1 of Cooking with Landon. Goodbye.